Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I'm back in action today. I'm back in action and I've got a camera today. And we're in Cleveleys and it's our fun day. It's our next fun day. This is Meet the Ogre, this one. So I'm underneath the brand new tree hugger and a beautiful blue sky. It's an absolutely lovely day. And we've got the usual fun and games out in full flow. Oh, I kid you not, it's like working with children. So I'm going to show you what we're up to, and we're going to have a look at a lovely event and a lovely busy day in Cleveleys. So if you're new and you've forgotten all about me, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you've signed up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter as well, which you can get at visitfyldecoast.info/newsletter. Right, let's go and have a look, shall we? We'll go and see what's occurring. So as you know, we're care for Cleveleys and we do all the plants and the flowers and the pots and everything. They're looking a little bit parched at the minute. Most of the other ones are quite chirpy. That one just happened to be a little bit dry. So we're fundraising. We've got loads of different stalls. This is Derek, the super duper DJ, pretending he's not noticed me. Flogging your wares. Oh, it's a squirrel. Yes, well. Good. We've got a plant stall. So these have been like catnip all day today. Everybody's been around them. This is our stall where we've got all information and stuff. We've got a few calendars left which we're trying to give away to people, and this is kids' crafts. So these are making flags, and there's one in the planter there. Look. This is Caroline and Irene. We're doing the bottle tombola, and Helen's selling homemade cakes. Andy's busy taking photographs of everybody, and this is Michael. I'm not sure where Nora's gone, and they're doing the tombola. So we're in full flow. It's really busy, and then down here we've got a craft fair. So I'll show you what we're doing. Look, we've got a clown on that one. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? Anne's made them. She's one of our bollard babes, and these are our little spring flowers looking all pretty. So we've got the flags still up from VE Day. We said we were going to leave them up. This is a lovely one. Look at this one. Doesn't that look gorgeous? It's strange how they were all bought in the same place. They were all planted at the same time. They've all been watered exactly the same. Some have grown more than others. So this is craft stalls down here. So it's all busy. It's all busy. Lots to do. Oh, and I'll show you our new Mary's garden as well. Oh, she's here, Nora. I thought she'd run off and left me. This one's Mrs. Tombola. I'll show you the new Mary's garden. So you've probably noticed that the old one, if you've been to Cleveleys, is looking a bit shabby. So it's been in town 2, if not 3 years. And it's starting to look a bit fed up. So we've built a new one, and here it is. Isn't that a Bobby Dazzler? Isn't that a Bobby Dazzler? So we need to line the boxes out next with plastic and then put some soil in and plant them up. So we've got the plants. So we're all ready to roll. It's a lovely day. It's gorgeous. It's all busy. It's always busy in Cleveleys, and it's even busier still today because we've got an event on. So we're going to go and have a look at the entertainment next, because we've got the Ogre in the Petrified Forest and the Fisherman today from the Mythic Coast story, from the story of the Sea Swallow. And we've also got Thornton Band. We're playing at 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock today. So we're going to go and capture them.
No, you're spending such long.
And I think they might have a bit of an accompaniment when they start playing. This is Anne. This is Anne.
Oh, did not show that.
She's starting to get frustrated with her cast. So here we have Kevin. Here we have Kevin. Never work with children and animals.
Where does Alan fit in that category?
He's in the back.
She's an adult. Exactly. Yeah, so we've got a ogre. Go on, concentrate, focus. So the Sea Swallow is a story about a little girl called Mary and her quest to find a shell, and the ogre interjects and tries to take it off her, and they save the town from drowning and da-da-da-da-da. So this is us starting to bring it to life. Hello, Dorothy. This is us starting to bring it to life through acting. So we're doing our little performance. We don't need Victoria Road pedestrianising, but we just can't all get down the pavement all at once. Oh, and I can hear a band playing. Poor Anne, she's going to murder him before she's finished. It's terrible trying to keep her under control. Listen, aren't they good? Ooh. Do you know, it's such good fun. We've got the flags out. Don't they sound lovely? Oh, I do like that. Very good, I do like that. So the crew's turned up. Look who I found a tea boy. Now then.
Stood up.
Just to prove that he's still alive. He's come to enjoy the sunshine and enjoy the atmosphere in Cleveleys. He's trying to keep up to the ogre, but not quite managing it entirely. So how are you, tea boy?
I'm not bad really. I'm doing very well. Just if I can carry on like this, I'll not complain.
Very good. See?
It's all in the head.
It's all in the head. It's not all in the head actually, but mind over matter. Mind over matter, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Somebody
right.
just said to me now, well, there doesn't look anything wrong with you.
Oh no, they don't.
I says, no, there isn't.
Much. Caught him. Dancing ogre, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Look,
Do you like it then?
I do.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anne's had a right job controlling Alan today. She's been shouting at him. It's lovely to see it so busy though, isn't it? lovely little flowers. We've got all the flags out. They were from Fylde. We've left them up until they dropped a bit. And it looks lovely. It looks really pretty. Look, Nora's been putting some December anthems in. I think they're a bit shocked. Oh, that looks really pretty. And this is another busy bit. Oh my word, I think they're just about sold up. Yeah. You've sold up? Oh goodness me. Oh, look at this lot, they've gone. Goodness. What a good day. We're doing really well. Between us still making flags. Helen's just about sold up. The tomball is just about empty. Andy's still taking photos. Ogre's on his last legs, as you might say. He keeps trying to batter me. And just like that, it's all packed up and it's all tidy. So we're just doing we're doing the big tidy up now, so everything goes back to where it came from. Most of it to our house. You ought to see our house. It's like a warehouse. I cannot wait for that shop to get open and then I can move everything back because it's enough to drive you mad.
Is there any other stuff here?
Just a minute.
Your house?
Oh, there you go, you see, is there any of this stuff going to your house? I'm coming, I'll sort it out for you. You know what I mean? It all ends up in mine. That's been a lovely day. We've had a right laugh. Everybody's been smiling. Everybody's happy in Cleveleys. What time is it now? It's 4:25 and the pubs and whatnot are all busy. There's loads of people having food and drinks and what have you. There's still loads of people about. It's been a beautiful day. So thank you to everybody that's been. Thank you to everybody that's supported Care for Cleveleys. And the next one is in July, and if I knew what date I'd tell you. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye for now.